What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of my top 5 fitted hats of the week. And again, it was a crazy week. It started absolutely crazy already on Monday in the stream, and at this point I would like to thank everyone for joining the Monday stream. And if you have not joined the Monday stream so far, I would really recommend that you join us every Monday at the same time, and you will always find one day ahead the live date when the new stream is going live. So first things first, if you have not subscribed to the channel and you're watching more than this video of the channel, or maybe it's your first video, doesn't matter. Hit the subscribe button, it's totally free, and you can join the greatest hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. And at the end, I give you the decision if you want to hit the like button or not. But if you like the video, it would also help a lot if you hit the like button. So without further ado, let's go into this. I have 5 hats selected from this week, and I would like to start with this beautiful, super clean Los Angeles Dodgers, and this is an absolute stunner. Look at this beautiful script in the front, Old English, white and black, and this is raised a little bit so it looks absolutely fantastic. And on the side we have this super crazy skull with all the details, with the metallic golden teeth, with the metallic gold eyes. And then we got this, can you see the shine on the outline of this rope, which is made like in liquid titanium? Beautiful. And then we got a regular MLB Batterman on the back, gray UV, black guts. This is my 5th place this week from Topperzstore. My 2nd place this week is this beautiful Tampa Bay Lightning, and boy oh boy oh boy, this came out great. My 4th place this week, another crazy Gasparilla, and look at this red eyes, red button, black visor, dark graphite crown, and then we got this liquid titanium in the front. This looks absolutely crazy. Look how sparkling the side patch is on this Tampa Bay Lightning, beautiful. And then we got the NHL sheet also in this crazy red on the back, gray UV, black guts. My 4th place this week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And then my 3rd place this week goes to Topperzstore Mod Haven. This was an exclusive for the Bronx, and I really like how this hat came out. It's a beautiful collectible. So we got the New York Yankees, and you can already see with that script, and then you got the Lady Liberty in the front. All hat is completely black, golden script in the front, Lady Liberty in this beautiful Tiffany color, and also the side patch, World Series MVP Derek Jeter on the side. This pops off so great of this hat. And on the back you also got this super nice combo of gold and this Tiffany color, and then you got the gray UV, black guts, beautiful hat, the New York Yankees, Derek Jeter, World Series MVP, limited edition, only available at Topperzstore Mod Haven in the Bronx. So it was very tough to make the decision between the 2nd and the 1st place. And if you ask me, I would both put them on the 1st place, right? But I have to make the decision. That are the rules. And this week my 2nd place goes to this Aztec Skull Warrior. This the 3rd version that we are bringing, and this time with liquid titanium. And this thing, when you have this beauty in hand, you won't believe how good this looks. So sparkling, you can see all those details, and this looks really 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 crazy, especially if you're going out into the sunlight. You will love this hat. All black, gray UV, black guts. Wonderful hat. My 2nd place this week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. Now, my 1st place this week goes to Philly, and I absolutely like how this combo came out. Look at this crazy thing. Gray UV, black guts. We got a stone dome, and this embroidery in the front is absolutely crazy. When I saw this the first time, when I opened up the box, it is so good. It looks so sharp. It looks like it's made of metal. Can you see that? So we got silver, we got metallic gold rush, and then we got the 20th anniversary side patch, home of the Phillies, also with these fantastic sparkling metallics. And then you got this beautiful Cooperstown Betty on the back, gray UV, black guts. My first place this week is this gem. So this was my selection for this week. Do you agree with my selection, or have you chosen different hats? Let me know in the comments below, and also let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next, or specific colorways that you would like to see, or visit our Discord. You will find the link also in the description below. There are over 1,000 crazy guys who love hats like you and me, and we are discussing all day about hats and sports, and you can leave every message in that Discord regarding hats, what you want to see, which logos you love, which teams you would like to see, which colorways you would like to see, because we absolutely love your feedback. I would like to thank you guys for tuning in once again. I hope you can enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and don't forget to tune in tomorrow for another fantastic episode of Cap Talk. Tomorrow, episode 203. And I can already tell you, this stream drop tomorrow is going to be absolutely crazy. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'm out. Bye.